Wow, we got rice!
Okay.
My favorite food in it.
Yes.
Wait, maybe you can put here.
No, that's too big. So we're gonna have Temaki Sushi party today. Yay!
Wow, we got rice! We are making our own sushi!
Okay, can you hold this?
Otama.
Shamoji.
Shamoji.
So to make Temaki Sushi, we need to make sushi rice first.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Mix.
Mix, yes. It's pretty easy. First, you need to
Put salt.
You need to get the cooked rice ready, okay?
Okay.
First, put the vinegar.
Everything.
Yes, pour on the rice.
You make it salty
Sour.
like sushi roll. Have you been to sushi roll? Let me know in the comments. Alright, done.
Okay, next, we're gonna put sugar
Sugar.
and salt, okay?
Oh,
Here you go.
Eat it.
No,
Why? It's not fake.
you pour on it and mix well, please.
Little bit. Ooh, sounds good.
Sounds good. Tastes good, right?
Taste good.
It's okay.
Okay, I finished.
Okay,
Mix.
now mix, yes.
Mix it up, mix it up, mix and bake. Bake the salty rice.
Be careful, gentle. It's gonna make delicious sushi rice.
Yeah, I want it.
Does it taste like sushi already? No,
Not yet.
not yet. Okay.
Mix. Maybe now. So salty. You can try a little bit.
Okay. It's good. Okay, I think that's enough.
Wait, we need to do perfect.
Okay, thank you. So now I have some special recipe of temaki sushi sauce. I'm gonna show you how to make. First,
Put mayonnaise.
yes, put mayonnaise.
Everything or not? Everything.
No, everything.
Just a little bit.
I'll say stop. More. Okay, stop. Okay, next, put some soy sauce.
You should say stop. I will stop, okay?
Okay, put more. Okay, stop.
And mix.
Not yet. And we're gonna put some wasabi.
Wasabi. I don't like wasabi.
I know, so this sauce is not for you, only for mommy and daddy.
I don't like the smell.
Now you can mix.
Looks like tofu. If I smell, looks like sushi roll. Wasabi smell.
Okay, I think that's good. Thank you. So this is the special sauce. So we're gonna put this sauce on our temaki sushi, and it's so yummy. So it's pretty easy to make temaki sushi at home. So basically what we need is seaweed and
Sushi rice.
sushi rice and anything you want to put in the sushi. So today we have
Egg.
some sashimi,
Crab.
kamaboko,
And
cucumber, and tuna sashimi. This is boiled shrimp that you will like, and cheese, and avocados,
avocado.
another tuna.
Tuna.
Okay. Now let's try to
Make
make your own.
sushi. I will put my favorite food in it.
First, you need to take one seaweed.
This one
Yes, that's one.
and this.
And put some rice on it.
Put some rice on it.
Yes, a little bit. Okay, yeah.
This. Smash.
Smash. Flat. Okay, next.
Put.
Yes, you can put whatever you like.
And
which is
Salmon. Salmon.
Oh, that's
Too big. Can't take off my fingers. Krabby crab.
Are you gonna put everything together?
No. No, only the favorite food of
Yes,
me.
the favorite food. If you put too much, you can't roll. So I think that's enough for now. Maybe next time, okay?
Wait, maybe you can put here.
No, that's too big.
Maybe it's okay then.
Again, and let me put some soy sauce in it. And you're gonna roll,
Roll, roll.
roll, like this.
I'm going to eat it.
That.
Right.
Good.
Yes. Can I eat?
Yes.
Itadakimasu.
How's that taste?
Good.
Good. Oishii. You like it? It's your first time trying temaki sushi, right?
I like it.
You like it? Good.
My own one.
Yes, you can make your own and put whatever you like.
I'm Jimmy. Why don't you make temaki sushi at home? Try right now. Goodbye. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like button at YouTube or Instagram. So bye bye.